Challenges are a part of every technology journey, but how they're handled makes all the difference. Where others give you chatbots and hold music, we give you research-based pedagogy, expert training, and human support that keeps your momentum going. When you contact us, you're connected to trained specialists who know our products inside and out. People who've worked alongside educators, IT teams, and administrators, and understand the real-world challenges you face. Our team doesn't just follow a script. They listen, diagnose, and solve problems quickly, often on the first call. And if the solution requires deeper expertise, cases are escalated directly to product engineers or regional specialists. No bouncing between departments, no explaining your issue twice. With a 94% satisfaction rate for support calls, we're among the highest in the industry. Because service is more than just fixing problems, it's about keeping you moving forward. Whether your display is in warranty or not, our team is here with troubleshooting and market-specific solutions that work for you. We carefully select empowered local partners to ensure your support is fast, familiar, and tailored to your region. To go beyond the expected, learn more at smarttech.com.